Do you prefer a project that is flexible and quick to grow, or do you prefer having fine-grained control over everything that is happening? Do you have to participate in or create a large-scale project? Or have you ever run into issues where you start a project but can't take it further because every new change breaks three different features? I invite you to build a small survival scenario using two different architectures at the same time. We'll build the same features using two approaches so the difference becomes crystal clear. And beyond the project structure, how about learning how to create features by separating logic, data, and view, discussing how to intelligently handle GUI and asynchronous processes that are natural in projects, and understanding what dependencies really are, and much more. I am confident that the content of this course will not only give you a valuable knowledge to impress in interviews, but also enable you to create robust projects that allow entire teams to work on them with a certain level of confidence. And if you are looking for a course that is not only creating a game, but actually learning how to dive into advanced Unity, this is the one that you're looking for. See you there.